In today's video, we are going to cover how to void or delete an invoice in Xero. Start by signing into your Xero account. Once you are in, go to Business or Sales depending on the version you see, and then select Invoices. This takes you to the list of invoices in your account where you can find the one you want to remove. If you have a long list, take a moment to make sure you are opening the correct invoice before you continue, since the next action changes its status. Open the invoice you want to remove. You will now be looking at the full invoice record, including its current status and the available actions for that transaction. This is the point where it is important to notice whether the invoice is already approved or if it is still in draft or submitted status, because that determines which option Xero will allow you to use. Next, go to the Invoice Options menu in the top right corner of the invoice. In some accounts, this appears as an Invoice Options button, and in others, it may show as a three-dot menu. Click that menu to view the actions available for this invoice. From that menu, choose Void if the invoice has already been approved but needs to be canceled. Choose Delete if the invoice is still in draft or submitted status and you want to remove it. The key detail here is that voiding and deleting are tied to the invoice status, so select the option that matches what Xero allows for the invoice you are viewing. After you make your selection, Xero will prompt you to confirm the action. Read the prompt, then confirm your choice to continue. This confirmation is there to help prevent accidental changes, so make sure the action shown in the prompt is the one you intend to apply to that invoice. Once confirmed, wait briefly while Xero processes the request and updates the invoice status. Depending on your connection and account activity, this may take a moment. When the update is complete, the invoice record will reflect the change you just made. To finish, return to the invoices list. From there, verify that the invoice has been updated as expected. If you selected Void, you should see that the invoice has been voided. If you selected Delete from a draft or submitted invoice, it should no longer appear in the same way in the list. This final check helps confirm that the action was completed and that the invoice is no longer active in the form it had before. The invoice in Xero has now been voided or deleted, and its status has been updated accordingly.